Smart investors are using this new ETF to generate high monthly income, while staying fully exposed to the world's biggest tech giants. But here's the interesting part. It uses a specialized strategy designed to capture more growth than almost any other income fund. It might be the ultimate best of both worlds play for your portfolio. So in this video, we're breaking down ROCQ to see if it's the missing piece for your passive income strategy. Part 1. What is ROCQ? ROCQ stands for the JPMorgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Yield ETF. It's a high-income ETF designed to deliver monthly cash flow by focusing on the Nasdaq 100. Much like JPQ, it gives you exposure to top-tier growth stocks, but with a strategic twist. It sells call spreads instead of standard covered calls. This intentional design is built to let you participate more in big tech rallies while providing a steady stream of income that is often classified as return of capital, making it incredibly tax efficient. Part 2. Key characteristics. ROCQ was launched in March 2026 and is actively managed by JPMorgan's expert derivatives team. It comes with an expense ratio of 0.35%. Despite being a new player, it already manages over $110 million in assets, but analysts expect it to scale into the billions just like its predecessors. The fund is built for monthly distributions, and while the official yield is still settling, experts from JPMorgan's and other major institutions expect a payout in the 10% to 12% range. It aims for monthly distributions, making it a dream for income seekers. While its primary goal is to smooth the ride of the volatile Nasdaq while keeping your tax bill lower than traditional funds. Part 3. Top holdings. ROCQ focuses on the heavy hitters of the Nasdaq stock market. This means your money is working in companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta. These are the dominant tech and growth leaders with massive cash flows. When you hold ROCQ, you own a piece of these innovation engines, while the fund uses its call spread overlay to harvest premiums from their volatility, turning tech growth into consistent monthly income. Part 4. Performance. Since ROCQ only hit the market in March 2026, it's still in its early proving phase, while its long-term track record is being established. Currently trading between $52 and $53 per share, the fund has demonstrated impressive stability even as the tech sector experiences its typical swings. What sets this fund apart is a unique strategy that allows it to reparticipate in strong upward moves, meaning you aren't completely capped during a massive Nasdaq bull run. Because of this flexible design, experts from well-known institutions suggest ROCQ could deliver returns that match or even slightly outperform JPQ in the future. Part 5. Why invest in ROCQ? Investors are looking at ROCQ for 3 big reasons. First, it provides high monthly income from the growth-heavy Nasdaq. Second, the return of capital structure can offer significant tax advantages in your taxable brokerage account. Third, the call spread strategy offers a better balance of income and upside potential compared to old-school covered call ETFs. It's ideal for investors who want the excitement of tech growth but need the security of a monthly check. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 every week into ROCQ over the next 30 years, assuming it delivers returns similar to JPQ historic 14% average, your portfolio could snowball to over $1.7 million, while creating a massive income engine capable of delivering thousands in monthly distributions. If this breakdown helped you understand ROCQ, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns.